Jwale ha re tla ho baruting, studies tsa rona di bontsha hore there is a shift in identity of the pastor, especially with the rise of these emerging churches. Tse rona re reng ke tsa pholoso matsatsing ana re di bitsa jwang. Jwale ba identity of the pastor is shifting like this. It's shifting from men of God to men of gold. We are shifting from speaking about highway to heaven, we are speaking about highway to reserve bank. There is a shift from the name a prophet to prophet maker. So that is identity a shifting identity hare ho baruti, especially baruti ba sejwalejwale. Ba di kereke tsa hona jwale ba ileng hore they are influenced mostly by this prosperity gospel. Jwale we need to be careful hore identity influences your actions or your behavior or your doings. But now we have people who are hypocrites. They have a specific identity, but their actions are different. So it's a serious problem in the church. How can we engage that? But we need, as a church like Lexa, identity should serve our community. For an example, we are the prophets, we are the apostles. However, in 1 Peter chapter 2, yes, 1 Peter chapter 2, if I'm not mistaken. We are the royal priest. So that is our identity. If that identity cannot influence our actions, our behaviors, then the church is in trouble. So, because of the loss of our identity, majority of pastors in Africa have sold their mandate to preach the hard truth of the gospel. Instead, they opted to glorify their business or political leaders. They preach the message that pleases the donor to their salaries, whether in society or in the congregation. So one scholar said, congregations and society have tendency to domesticate or tame pastors to be what they want them to be. Attended a meeting of our big political leaders. Baruti ba badile lentswe hore ho rerwe lentswe. Empa ha ba rera mo le ba rera ka this politician ya teng. Ba glorify yena. And I was invited to preach there as well. But I decided not to go there and stay far at the back just to listen what's going to happen. And I was shocked of what I have seen and what happened there.